Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch, basically soft reset. To force restart this watch, press and hold the middle button and keep holding it until you see SKAGEN logo on the screen. Once you see the SKAGEN logo on the screen, you can release the middle button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.